Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add a footer in Webflow 2026. So you will need just to type webflow.com just to reach the website, and then make sure that you already signed in with your account. Now you will need to click on the dashboard and locate the website or the projects that you want to work on. Then just click on open in Webflow. So now we are being forwarded into the Webflow designer, as you can see. And here, all you need to do is to go and click on the plus icon or add elements section that's located on the left side bar. So here, all you need to do is to drag a section into the bottom of your page. So just go ahead and drag it to the bottom, just like that. And that's our section, okay? So now you will need to rename it to the footer section and the navigation, for example, but that's optional, okay? So the modern footer often include the logo, navigation, links, social media icons, newsletters, sign up, and or copyright text. Okay, so now you all need to add a container, and to do that just select the section that we just add and click on that plus icon and drag the container inside that section. Okay, and now you can just select it and go right here on the style and style your page. So from here you can add image elements like upload a logo and navigation links, so you can add the text link elements or nav link elements. Also you can add social media icons, okay, and copyright, also the small texts. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.